Hey, baby. He's still drilling and sanding and drilling and fucking sanding. And, that's what's going on in my world. It's pretty exciting over here. I love you. I miss you. Yeah, I was listening to some playback of the videos that I've been recording, and I don't know how you put up in my goddamn Lisp. I have like a thing with my S's. Why has no one ever told me this? Fuck, I'm 32? Someone could have told me this at this point in my life, you know, but apparently I have this weird Lisp thing with my... I don't fucking know, and I'll listen to this, and I'll be disgusted by this, too. So, you know, good looking out on that one. Anyway, I love you. Have fun tonight, whatever you're doing. I don't know what that is, but obviously no outside meetings, right? 2 more days. Yeah, 2 more days. Love you, baby. I figure I'll just keep sending you videos all the time, because I'm bored and you have no choice but to watch them. So, bye.